Hey there! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create your first background job on Heroku using Cron To Go. To begin, go to your app's dashboard and click on Cron To Go from the add-on list. This is Cron To Go's dashboard. To create a job, click Add Job. Now we'll specify more details of our Cron job. We'll start by giving it a descriptive name. Giving your job a nickname is optional, but it makes it easier to track and monitor. Next up is the time zone setting. If you would like to set up your job to run consistently at a specific time of day untouched by daylight saving switches, you can change the time zone to do so. Note that the time zone feature is only available with certain plans, so an upgrade may be necessary. In the majority of cases, we recommend choosing the Coordinated Universal Time Zone, UTC. Now for the schedule. In order to schedule a job, you'll need to enter a Cron expression which determines when exactly the job will run. If you feel as though you're not competent enough in the art of Cron expressions, you can start with our presets, read our guide to Cron expressions, or use cronexpressiontogo.com. In this tutorial, we'll use the expression 07 ****, which will schedule our job every day at 7 a.m. Now we'll have to configure the command, which will be executed by Cron To Go in a Heroku one-off Dyno when the time comes. We're going to use a curl command to check our website response time. The Dyno size determines the amount of memory and compute power your process gets. Each Dyno size comes with a different price tag. Choose one that is available for your app and has enough resources to run your processes. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll use the Hobby Dyno. You can set a timeout in seconds, after which the process will be killed by Heroku. This ensures that your jobs won't run once they've achieved their goal or interfere with one another. We'll just keep the default for now. Make sure the job is active and create the job. There we have it, our first Cron job. It shows up on the dashboard and it will run according to the schedule we defined. Check out our other tutorials to see what other cool things you can get done with Cron To Go.